To move on to the videos now, we will start off with the 1080p at 30 frames per second ultra wide videos. The video details will appear on your screen too. As I said earlier, this phone has OIS, so you really don't need a gimbal if your hands are super steady to The videos have a color tone similar to what you saw in the images. I like the availability of the 60 frames per second mode for both the front and the rear cameras. 60 frames per second, however, does not work in the ultra-wide mode. The 60 fps video mode works in the ultra-wide mode of the iPhones, but Samsung hasn't enabled it yet. Right after these videos finish, you will be able to see the front camera videos taken on the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Hi guys, this is the front camera's 4K at 60 frames per second video recording on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. I am shooting outside in extreme sunshine to give you guys a good idea about the colors and everything else in this video, but it's a bit hard to shoot here since I am facing the sun, and if I just turn around, you guys will not be able to see me. So yeah, this is a little bit of problem here. However, do tell me how's the mic's voice recording quality and how are you finding the colors and other things in this video. Let me show you the other resolution modes of this phone. Now you're taking a look at the 4K at 30 frames per second from this phone's front camera. I wonder how hard it's going to be shoot right in the face of the sun, but I'm pretty sure you guys can see the background, and this is it. Let me show you the 1080p at 60 frames per second front camera video now. Now this is front camera's 1080p at 60 frames per second video. Now I am walking so that you do know how's the stabilization of this phone. At 60 frames per second the stabilization is not that good, but I think it's still better than many other phones. Samsung has added its flagship grade camera in the S20 Fan Edition, and yeah, it looks good to me. Finally, the real resolution. This is 1080p at 30 frames per second, and the details are not going to be as good in this mode. I cannot judge this video right now because I cannot see the phone's screen. As I told you, the sun is quite bright right now, but obviously you guys are going to be the judge for the front camera videos, so I will leave this analysis on you guys. Do tell me in the comment section about the quality of these videos.